Hey, as the winter approaches, it's the perfect season for methi. We are making methi paratha along with simple aloo sabji that you can enjoy for any meal of the day. Take methi saplings which are washed in cold water and dried. Pluck out the methi leaves and the small stems, leaving behind the larger ones. Once plucked, fold the leaves together into a tight bunch and chop them with a knife. For the paratha dough, mix equal parts of whole wheat flour and refined flour in a bowl with ghee, sea salt, and chop methi leaves. Mix all the ingredients with your fingers. To check the dough is mixed well, take a clump of dough and press it with your hands and it should form a crumbly dough. Take water and add it to the ingredients in batches and knead to form a soft dough. Add a bit of refined oil and coat the dough to prevent it from drying out. Cover with a wet cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. Divide the dough into smaller balls once it has rested. Gently roll the dough balls using a rolling pin into thin parathas. A quick tip here: if your parathas are sticking to the surface while rolling, add a bit of refined flour on the surface. Take the paratha and place it on a hot tawa on medium flame. Let it grill on one side for 15 seconds before turning it over. Spread liberally with ghee on one side, then turn and repeat. Make sure to cook the edges of the parathas evenly. When both sides of the paratha have golden brown patches, it is done. Take off the tawa and do the same with the rest of them. For the quick aloo sabji, in a kadhai, take refined oil and temper it with dry red chili and kalonji seeds. Add washed and diced potatoes to this and fry till it starts to take a golden brown color. To this, add red chili powder and salt as per your preference. Mix the ingredients and bring it to a boil with 1 cup of water. Cover and cook till the potatoes are cooked through and we are done. Serve with mixed mango pickles and spicy yogurt.